So do you also wish to create the tweets automatically from an RSS feed? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to convert RSS feed to tweet using AI agent. So here my objective is that whenever a new feed in RSS is captured, then automatically OpenAI should generate a tweet from the same. And after generating the tweet, automatically that tweet should be shared on my Twitter account, that is on my X account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my RSS by Pabbly with OpenAI and X account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically turn your blog's RSS feed into tweets using an AI agent. This will help you stay active on X, save time, and keep your followers updated every time you publish a new article. So I run a blog and publish new articles regularly, and I want to share these updates on Twitter to reach more people. But doing it manually every time takes effort and I sometimes forget. But converting my blog's RSS feed into tweets using an AI agent, I can automatically post tweets whenever I publish a new article. The AI can even write short, catchy tweets based on the content. This helps me stay active on Twitter, save time, and make sure my followers are always updated with my latest post without doing anything manually. Alright, so now here on my screen, you can see the Hindu RSS feeds, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new RSS feed over here in the Hindu, then automatically OpenAI should generate a catchy tweet from it, and after generating the tweet, automatically that should be shared on my X account as well. So now here to build this connection, I need to connect my RSS feed with OpenAI account and my X account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as convert RSS feed to tweet using AI agent. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So now I'm going to select my trigger application as RSS by Pabbly, that is a RSS reader provided by Pabbly. Alright, so RSS is basically a simple way to get updates from your favorite websites in one place. Instead of visiting each site, you can subscribe to their RSS feed and get new content like articles or blog posts delivered to a feed reader. Alright, so here in my RSS by Pabbly trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new item in feed, so that when you're going to receive new item in our RSS feed, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, now here to connect my RSS with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect, and then here's asking me for the feed URL. So here I need to enter the feed URL, that means the RSS feed URL over here for the trigger. So here to get this feed URL, let me take you to the Hindu RSS feed. So this is the Hindu RSS feed, and from here you can see all the popular categories over here. So here I'm going to select the category as cricket over here. You can select the category as per your need, and then here I'm going to copy this URL given over here. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the feed URL. Now here after entering the feed URL, it is asking me to select the filter type. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the filter type as default, different GUID and different publish date. So here I'm going to select the filter type as default, but you can select the filter type as per your need. Alright, so now here after entering the feed URL and the filter type, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the title of the news. Moving forward, here you can see the published date. Here you can see the media content width. Here you can see some other details as well, such as the URL. Here you can see the link to the article and the description of the article as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that RSS by Pabbly is a polling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 1 hour over here. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now after getting a new feed in RSS, then automatically I want to share this feed to OpenAI to generate a proper tweet for the same. So for that, I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a proper tweet for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me for a token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. So these are the API keys available over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give the name as tweet, and then I'm going to select the project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model as per your need. And now after selecting the AI model, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper tweet for me. So let me add the prompt over here. And here you can see I've successfully added a prompt over here where I've added some instructions and the detail as title, content, and the URL link over here. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new feed through RSS, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the title, I'm going to map the title. Here for the content, I'm going to map the content over here. And lastly, here for the URL, I'm going to map the URL received. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message content generated, where we have received the entire tweet generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the tweet, I'm going to share that tweet on my X account. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as X, that is formerly Twitter. So X, formerly known as Twitter, is a popular social media platform where users can post short messages called tweets, share images and videos, and follow other users to stay updated on their post. So in my X action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a tweet, so that after generating the tweet through OpenAI, I want to post that tweet as a new post on my formerly Twitter account, that is on my X account. Alright, so now here to connect my X account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your X account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with X. And now here to build this connection is asking me to enter the client ID and the client secret. So it says please read documentation here to know how to create a client ID or client secret. So I'm going to click on this learn more hyperlink. and here we have navigated to the forum window. So here you can see a description to how to get a client ID and the client secret. So now here we are going to click on this developer.twitter.com link given over here. And here I've already logged in my own account because I was already logged in my X account. Alright, so now here I'm going to click on this developer portal. And from here I'm going to click on this projects and apps, and from here I'm going to select my test project that I've already created over here. And from here I'm going to click on the keys and tokens. Here you can see client ID and the client secret over here. So I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so here I've successfully added the client ID and the client secret, and then I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see Pabbly test is wanting the access, so I'm going to authorize the app over here. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me for entering the message over here. So I'm going to enter the message that I want to post as a tweet on my X account. So this is the message generated, and then here this code, tweet ID and direct message deep link is not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully posted a new tweet on our X account. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully posted a new post over here on our X account, that is the tweet generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected trigger as RSS by Pabbly and action as OpenAI and X account, so that whenever we're going to receive new feed in RSS, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the tweet for the same. And after generating the tweet, automatically that tweet is going to be shared on our X account as a new tweet. Alright, so these were the steps to how to convert RSS feed to tweet using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.